Hey guys, what's good? It's Dami here from Clientele Boosters. Today I wanted to refer and talk about one of my tweets where I was talking about Snapchat being a swift kingpin if used correctly. That reminds me of an advocate campaign last year. You see, we had to do his Facebook, Google, TikTok, Snapchat ads, as well as Instagram ads. And quite frankly, we had a very limited time to get it all done. They came to us with about 6 to 7 weeks left and their business manager was down. So we had two choices. One, we could delay the campaign and start running Facebook ads in what looked like 4 or 5 weeks left, or we could put the oil into the gas of another search engine or channel. So I spoke to my good friend Mahawi, who's a Google Ads legend, by the way. If you ever want Google Ads consulting, and you don't want to do it with Clientele Boosters, then you definitely want to go ahead to Mahawi Minasi. Look him up on LinkedIn, he's a G. So we poured some money onto Google Ads, but we also poured a ton of money onto Snapchat and TikTok ads. And transparently, I was familiar with TikTok ads to an extent, but Snapchat, upon stumbling upon that platform, we realized that the interface was really similar to the Twitter ad platform as well. So we set up some Twitter ads, set up some TikTok ads, set up the Google ads, because we didn't resolve the business manager issue until maybe 5 weeks before the campaign, and it was a national tour. So we're talking about we have to promote for Melbourne, Sydney, Gold Coast, and Brisbane. I think Perth was involved as well. It was 4 venues, right? We had to sell out at least, I think, 60-80% of each venue. So conservatively, we started spending on Snapchat and TikTok. I was managing that, not even with my team. I was doing that with my own bare hands, just to get a feel for the platform, make sure things were steady before offloading to anyone. And what we realized was, by the end of the full campaign, Snapchat ads was actually probably the leading contributor to the ticket sales, above Facebook, above Instagram, above TikTok, and of course above Google as well, with Facebook being a close second. TikTok, or rather Snapchat ads, ended up generating probably 25% of the holistic revenue as in tickets sold, $120,000 in tickets sold, solely because it ended up being that blue ocean that we needed to get that campaign off the ground. The reason why you want to be omni-channel when running campaigns for anyone with big budgets, or anyone that's high profile, or anyone where there's high voltages of traffic that's required, is because anytime you're in a blue ocean, you're the only one there. A blue ocean is where it's untapped, it's clear, you look over the ship and it's crystal and it's clean. A red ocean is where there's dirt in it, broken, and now everything's shipwrecked. Everyone's been there before. If you can find a blue ocean with a channel, aka Snapchat ads, in the right field, it's an absolute no-brainer. Now, you might not get it to be your leading traffic contributor for a campaign, but if you can master that platform, it can definitely generate ridiculous dividends, at least it did for a celebrity. So that's some food for thought. CB Nation, that's my speak for today. Have a great weekend. Speak soon. Bye-bye.